Yo, what is up? It's your girl PM here to do a special unboxing for you. It's something kind of magical. It's something you can tell time with and do other cool things. I have here the Apple Series 6 watch. I'm very excited to open this bad boy girl up. Yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, here I have our knife and the Apple Watch package. It says Apple Watch on the back, white. Something weird over here. This is the blue aluminum case. Blue aluminum case. Can I say aluminum? Alright. But deep navy sport band. I'm so excited. I've been wanting an Apple Watch for a while. I've never had an Apple Watch before, and I'm really excited to have one right now. I've been wanting one maybe for like the past year. Ooh, I'm gonna open this satisfying package. Apple has the best unboxing experience, I think. Throw this away. Yeah. And then I guess you flip this little cute tab. Oh, what a cute sound that made. I guess you just unwrap it like this. Ooh la la, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it has cool graphics in the middle. And then there is the blue watch design. And yeah, so it's in this box. Ooh, and here's the wristband. I'm gonna open up the box first. Lift it up slowly. It opens just like a jewelry box, which as a woman is extremely satisfying. I love opening up a jewelry box. Okay, here it's in a little protective case. I think I slide it out. Oh, I push it out like this. Bing! Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Oh, and the blue, it's so nice. It's this navy blue. It's really subtle. Not quite black, but still blue, and it looks so cool. Oh, I love it. I love the color. I'm gonna set it to the side while I get the strap for it. Let's see. Open this green tab. Seems like I'm making this more complicated. Nope, I got it. Just slide it. Just wiggle. Oh, there we go. It comes out. Opens up. There's some instructions. To read the instructions, maybe not. Ooh, so we have two sizes. Looks like a long strap and a shorter strap with more little dots. I don't know which one. I'm gonna go for the daintier one. I'd like to think that my wrist is on the daintier side, but we will see. And then I'm gonna push it in. I think maybe I should read it. Oh, you slide it. Slide it in from the side. Oh my gosh, I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Oh no, I don't know. Okay, Okay, it pushes in. It pushes in. Oh no, it stopped. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like I just slide it in, but it's kind of hard. I guess I just got to be a little more tougher. Okay, almost there. Okay, push through. I'm pushing buttons. It's on. Okay, got one strap in. I have it backwards. Let's get it.
Nope. So you have to hit the button on the back to open it up, but you probably have forced it.
I forced it.
Too much.
Oh, I'm so scared.
So that goes on the top.
Okay, thank you. This is the top?
Yes.
Okay. And there's a button I push. Do I push it while I slide it in?
No, you slide it in.
Oh, man. Oh, that's way easier. Oh, man.
You hear the click?
Yeah, it went in way easier. I was like, it felt so uncomfortable putting this one on top. Probably a reason. Okay. Making sure everything else is right. This one's still harder. Okay. Okay. Alright. It's on. It feels good. It's all flushed. I had a panic attack for a second. Let's see. I do fit the dainty. I fit the dainty. Yes. Let's see. Boop. 2. There we have it. Oh, she looks good. Oh, she looks pretty. All right. There we have it. It says I need to do some stuff with my phone to sync it up, but oh, I love the blue color. Blue color is way cool. It's awesome. Very much me. My favorite color is blue. I love this. I'm so excited. I've been wanting one for such a long time. I feel like I've been missing out on it. Now I have it. Thank you, AM, for getting this for me. So cool. Pew, 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 pew. Now I can track my steps, take messages, play games, check my heart rate, oxygen level, all my levels, all right here. Pokemon Go. Boom, 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 boom. Text message. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Fill all my circles. Take a phone call. Walkie-talkie. Everything. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Maybe get yourself an Apple Watch if you are so razzle-dazzled by this. And everybody, peace.
You gotta show the other contents in the box.
Oh, okay, pause. The other things that we have in this box include designed in California. Looks like we have a charger. Gotta lift this up. Take it out. Ooh la la. Boop. Pops out. You charge it. It's magnetic. Magnets are always fun.
Show how it connects.
I don't want to take it off yet. Okay, I have to take it off. Yeah, so alright, there we go. It goes on the back. Here's the back of my watch. Has this quite the device right here, and then when you want to charge it, it just sticks right on. Magnet. Boop. Boop boop. It's strong and it charges. You plug it in just like that. What else do we have in this? I think that box is empty. I think we have instructions. There's instructions on how to charge it. Stick it on the back. I was right. That's good. And then we have one piece of paper for safety instructions and information. It's the Apple Watch user guide. Download it. And you just look it up. Google that. Apple.com. This is empty. Make sure I've got everything. This package feels a little bit heavier. Okay, it has the long strap. I might switch to the long strap. I don't know. We'll see how it feels yet. I don't know how much of I'd like extra flap on the end. I'm not used to wearing things on my wrists, so it's gonna take some time getting used to. Okay, that's empty. I think that's all the contents. Am I missing something, AM? I think I have it all. I have it all. I have the Apple Watch. Boom. Ooh, I can do English, United States. All right. That is it. Thank you for watching. Ooh. Ooh. Cool. Thank you, everybody. Be safe, stay healthy, wear a mask, vote, and peace.